Good day, Cass, and hello, IIT.
I am Julia Marie 𝗍𝗶𝗲 Reyes.
And I am 𝗍𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗏𝗏
from Cassayuran,
reviving on the web to bring you relevant stories you shouldn't miss.
and provide you with closer insights in snippets.
Treading a path that's new to us might be nerve-wracking and exciting. Hence, the Office of the Guidance and Counseling held its annual College Life Symposium for freshies and transferees today, September 13, 2023 at the MSU IIT Gymnasium. This is to help them adjust in their new environment at the start of their college journey.
Now, come along as we zoom in on how these new IITians have been faring in their college life so far. And let's see who among them are caught on the web.
Hello! So what's your name and what's your course?
I am John Dave Manos from 𝗑𝗶𝗀𝗄𝐿.
Hi, I'm 𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗏. I'm from BS Philosophy.
Hi, I'm from 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and my name is Christine 𝗓𝗏𝗏.
I am Zia Sani from Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies.
Hi, I'm 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and I am a first-year BA Social student.
So, let's start with our questions.
How has college life been treating you?
So far, I believe it's been treating me with gentleness, as mentioned again sa symposium. It's been very good to me, and I kind of expected it not to go this way because there's this connotation that college will be challenging and stuff. But so far, it's been good, and I've been adjusting pretty well since I'm not originally from here. So far, okay naman.
So far as I have entered here in the institute, college life has been chill at first because as we all know kay �‌𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏 and 𝗓𝗏𝗂𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and it's kanang first sem pa. So okay ra gyud kanang chill pa gyud kay ang mga ano.
Actually, college life has been treating me better than what I expected it to be. I came into psych from 𝐓𝐴𝐻 as a BS Science course. I was really nervous because of all the sciences. But finding that the teachers were really kind and that my classmates were really open to being helpful as well as our seniors giving us their notes, it felt very welcoming. It felt like everyone was just rooting for us to succeed, and it's really nice.
So far, so good.
Short but precise.
Really nice. Let's go. Your answers was also really nice. So, what has been the toughest thing to get used to in college?
The toughest thing to get used to in college as a student from an IBM strand, it was, I always stand out in terms of public speaking and writing. But now that I'm in BS Philosophy, most of my classmates are inclined in that aspect. So I needed to find my own identity in as other aspects where I can stand out not just in my abilities but me as a person.
Mostly the environment because I'm from Bukidnon and Iligan is kind of hot and humid, and Bukidnon is known for its cool weather, and I think that's the most challenging part of adjusting for me. But so far I've been acclimating to the weather and the environment as well. So it's been continuously challenging, but also it's starting to I'm starting to process it already.
The toughest thing kay ang musayog mata kay sa akong previous school kay among klase magod kay 11. Tas tama na siya 3, then karon kay 7 dayon. Naay next class nga 2, tas napoy sunod nga bali 3. Inana bitaw kanang dagko siya gap, so maglisod ko if muli ba ko or if magstay ba ko diri, then if asa ko magtambay if diri ko magstay.
I think it's the weight of independence. Coming from high school and elementary school, it's kind of been, lessons have been spoon-fed. But right now, I feel like everything that I do will contribute to my future. So suddenly, just the realization that I have to think ahead is really, it's a pressure, but I like that feeling of pressure. I like for the first time, it feels like I have a ship and I'm captaining it and I'm going to sail it. It's great.
So, it's a good type of pressure. That's good. Oh my God.
Next is, has college life exceeded or let down your expectations?
I think there's nobody tells you this, but the first half or the first as a freshman, dili pa magditso nga lisod. So, but I'm gearing up to the challenges that college life will post, and so far naman it's been good nga kanina sabi ko, pero yeah, I also know that challenges will come my way, but I'm ready.
Ni-exceed gid siya. Kaya abi ko kuan, chill-chill lang diri, ana-ana, pero pag sugod pa lang, murag start pa lang sa klase kay nakain ko nga, hala, di jud siya sayon, kailangan jud ko maning kamot kay ako mga classmate kay daghan jud og kanang bright bitaw inana, sa mao to.
In terms of the institution, the people around me, my teachers, they have actually met my expectations. But me, for my academic performance, I think I have let down. And I think that's normal because I'm still new to college and I'm still adjusting. And all the systems that I have constructed in my high school years, I have collapsed them or reconstructed them. So I'm still on my way on rebuilding, or rather adjusting in my college life.
I don't think it's enough to actually like say, but so far I expected CAS to be nice, and just actually meeting people from CAS, it exceeds my like threshold of wow, these people are really nice. I'm loving it so far. Yeah, it's great.
Mabait daw kayo, guys. Congrats!
So the next question is, tell us about a memorable experience you've had since starting college.
I think one of the most memorable experiences I've had yet is the oral recitations. The profs are really engaging here, and they really want to hear from you. They want to engage with their students. They want to be interactive. They want to hear the perspectives of their students, and that's one thing that I really like. And the oral recitations, though nerve-wracking, they really open up discussions that really opens up your mind and your imagination. That's why I think that's one of the most memorable experiences I've had yet thus far.
So far sa pag-start sa school year, this school year, kay ang siguro ang pinaka-memorable sa kuha as of now kay ang katong welcoming week.
Naalaan kong teacher, sulod ko sa among classroom, tas abi nilag teacher ko, din nanindog sila.
One time sa sign-in, na late ko. And what ended up happening was the person managing the sign-in and I talked, and they entertained me for a bit. And then just having a stranger compliment like, hey, you're good at this, or hey, I like your fit, and then just having that natural conversation happen was really nice. It was very humanizing. It felt like, yes, I was late, but at the same time, it's okay. They understand that people have reasons, and it just felt very healthy.
So the next question is, what part of college life are you most excited to experience?
I think MSU is known for the events, especially the MSU Palakasan.
There's a lot, so mostly it's about the CAS days. CAS days is always mentioned, right? And also the palakasan.
Palakasan kay katong sa una kay ganahan jud ko mo sulod diri ba para maka-try ang experience, then dili man daw pwede outsider. So karon nga diri na jud ko nag-school, excited na jud ko.
So kapag sa una mo gyud na siya kanang pinakabibong event diri sa IIT.
I hope na CAS will, dominate.
Corey ka dyan!
I agree. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's all. Thank you. So, any last words?
Shout out to 𝗏𝗶𝗀 and to 𝗤𝗏𝗏, I guess.
Shout out daw.
𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 and kamangdamang.
Our CAS students were so insightful today.
Exactly. That's it for today, Arachnids.
Make sure to follow us on our social media platforms
And stay on the web.